Most people panic when Mistplay stops loading or keeps crashing. They assume the app is broken forever, or their account is gone. But that's not usually the case. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most situations, Mistplay crashes are caused by simple issues like cache errors, outdated app versions, or device compatibility problems. In this video, you'll learn exactly why Mistplay is not loading in 2026, what causes the crashes, and step by step, how to fix it so the app starts working again normally. Let's go straight into it. If you are like Jake, who opens Mistplay expecting it to load but gets stuck on a black screen, or Sarah who sees constant app crashes, the frustration is real. But here's where most people go wrong. They uninstall the app immediately, without trying simple fixes that actually solve the problem in minutes. First, check your internet connection. This sounds basic, but it is the most common reason. Mistplay needs a stable connection to load offers and rewards. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue changes. Now, here's the interesting part. Even if your internet works for other apps, Mistplay can still fail if the connection is unstable. Next, force close the app and restart your phone. This clears temporary memory glitches that often cause loading screens to freeze. But here's the problem. Many users skip this step and jump straight to reinstalling, which is not always necessary. Now clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, find Mistplay, and clear cache and storage data. This removes corrupted temporary files that often cause crashes. In a minute, I'll show you why this step alone fixes most loading issues. If that does not work, check for updates. An outdated version of Mistplay can easily stop working after backend changes. Go to the Play Store and make sure you are on the latest version. Developers frequently push updates to fix stability issues. Another important step is checking device compatibility. If your phone is running an older Android version or has low available storage, Mistplay may struggle to load properly. Free up space and close background apps to improve performance. If nothing works so far, uninstall and reinstall the app.ie. This gives you a completely fresh version without corrupted files. Just make sure you log back into your original account so you don't lose progress. Here is the key takeaway. Mistplay not loading is almost never permanent. It is usually a combination of small issues that are easy to fix when handled in the right order. Now you know exactly why Mistplay keeps crashing and how to fix it in 2026 without guessing or wasting time. If this helped you get the app working again, like the video, comment your issue below, and subscribe for more simple app fix guides like this.